Check this little guy out. He's not any bigger than a toonie. He's eating these bugs as fast as he can get his teeth in them. Not much bigger than my finger. Here's my finger. That's how big he is.
When was your last communication with Siva? She's not Mossad. Not anymore. Why are you looking for her? The same reason you are. Delta. All right, I will give you that.
He's some kind of tiny.
Would have wanted me to make sure she is safe.
Tree frog.
Shin Bet identified the 3 men that were found dead at the David safe house. Common criminals, no political.
Plunge your feet.
Hired guns. Presumably bought by the same
Now we
people
just have to find out what kind he is.